Yo, what's up, guys? So I clean broke the bar off my surface cleaner, alright? And I wanted to make this video because I seen this before. So what I did was, when I first got this surface cleaner, it comes with this piece that goes there, alright? Now that's steel, so if you hit a rock or a curb like I did, the steel part ain't gonna break, so it's either gonna break your swivel or bend your bar. I put one of these on there. It's called a bar saver, and what it is, it's brass, so it breaks before the bar or the swivel breaks. So now I got the piece of brass stuck in there. You just got to get that out, and we're gonna put a new one in. Set this up real quick. Yeah, so the point is the brass breaks before that steel would. So this piece right here ain't gonna break as easy. So that's why I switched it out with one of these, and you're gonna see exactly why. Because it broke the brass piece instead of the swivel. Now this piece right here is called an easy out. It's backwards threaded. You put it in there, and you can get that out. See that? Pulled it out. Now we're going to put a brass piece back in there, and we'll be good to go. But yeah, like I said, this steel piece that comes with it, if I had this in, it would have broke either the bar or the swivel, and that's a couple $100 versus this is like $2. So if you have one of these surface cleaners, put a brass piece in, it'll save your butt. Only a couple bucks a piece. Just put a couple wraps. And you're good. I don't know what happened. My video shut off. I must have accidentally hit it. Anyway, so those of you just coming on, I just pulled the brass section out of my surface cleaner bar right here, and instead of breaking the bar or swivel, the brass piece broke. So I was just telling everybody that if you don't have this on your surface cleaner, put one of these on instead of the steel, because these won't break. The brass will clean break right off, and instead of the bar or the swivel breaking. So we're putting a new brass piece in. Kind of annoyed that my video shut off. Anyway, maybe it's meant to be. So we're going to put this new brass piece in. Just put some Teflon on there. Make sure you put it on right. Make sure you start the thread by hand, because there you go. Okay, now we're in there. Now you can see, like I said, this brass piece broke clean off. Clean break, that's crazy. So now put some Teflon on this little guy. Be careful putting the Teflon on. You don't want that getting caught up in your bar or tips. That'll be a pain in the ass. Okay, that's good enough. So yeah, that only takes a few minutes, guys. So like I said, I'll repeat it again. If you have a surface cleaner, whisper wash, these metal pieces that come with it will not break. And if you hit a rock or a curb, you're gonna break your bar or break your swivel, which is a couple $100 versus this that will break right away. It's only $2-3. They're called bar savers. I know Russ Johnson sells them. Lori Smith sells them. Then you just need an easy out kit. It's kind of backwards threaded. You put it in, screw backwards, and it pulls out the piece. Pop your new piece in with some Teflon, throw the bar back on, and you're good to go. So anyway, guys, I hope everybody's staying safe out there, and that's it, man. Just instead of this stainless, go with the brass. Take care, guys.